Hello everyone and welcome at English with Selma. Today's lesson is about English alphabet. I will teach you how to pronounce alphabets in English correctly. So let's start. A B C D E. Please listen and repeat after me. In this way, you will practice on your pronunciation and your ears become familiar with the sounds of English. F G H I J K L M N O P Q R with a long A, R. This is in British, but in American we say R. S T U V W X Y. Again, there is a difference on how we pronounce this letter. In American, we say Z. In British, Z. Okay, before I finish, let's repeat all of the English alphabet once more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, or Z. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch my future videos. Like and leave a lovely comment below and share this video with anyone who wants to learn English. See you next time, inshallah.